If you've been sweating through the scorching heat, it's time to chill out with the best AC recharge kits. Explore effective solutions to effortlessly rejuvenate your cooling system. For both DIY enthusiasts and those seeking a quick fix, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description box below to stay cool and comfortable all summer long. Now, let's get started. INTERDYNAMICS ACP100 AC Recharge Kit. The INTERDYNAMICS ACP100 AC Recharge Kit with hose and gauge is a versatile solution for lost refrigerant and oil in your vehicle's AEC system. Featuring an extra-long 24-inch recharge hose, this kit allows access to hard-to-reach service ports, enhancing its usability. The reusable trigger dispenser comes with a built-in low-pressure gauge and temperature dial indicator, ensuring precision throughout the recharge process. Containing our 134A gas, suitable for motor vehicle AEC systems, this kit aligns with Section 612 of the EPA Clean Air Act, emphasizing environmental responsibility. The comprehensive design of this AC recharge kit makes it a valuable tool for those looking to optimize their AEC system's performance. Black Diamond AVALANCHE AC Recharge Kit. The Black Diamond AVALANCHE AC Recharge Kit offers a comprehensive approach to AEC maintenance. With a self-sealing 18-ounce can of our 134A refrigerant, it includes a digital gauge, smart clips, and smart clip technology for ease of use. The Super Chill formula, incorporating ultrasynthetic materials, not only replaces lost refrigerant and oil but also maximizes cooling efficiency. This kit stands out with smart clip technology, where vent clips change color to indicate the correct refrigerant charge, preventing overcharging. Additionally, it features a system-safe chemical additive to stop leaks in O-rings and rubber components. Engineered for user convenience and environmental consciousness, it presents a reliable and efficient solution for restoring your car's AEC system. Mr. Freeze AC Recharge Kit. Experience rapid and efficient cooling restoration with the Mr. Freeze AC Recharge Kit. Engineered to quickly bring your car's air conditioning system back to delivering cold air, this kit saves you from the inconvenience and high costs of professional repairs. A standout feature is the wireless digital thermometer and display, providing real-time temperature measurements from your vents. Enhanced by AccuFill technology for precise air temperature measurement, this AC recharge kit guarantees accurate recharging. The USA-manufactured kit, complying with EPA standards, features self-sealing cans with our 134A refrigerant, lubricant, and leak sealer. Its user-friendly instructions ensure confident and eco-conscious AEC system rejuvenation. AC Avalanche AC Recharge Kit. The AC Avalanche AVL 132D Premium 18 ounces are 134A AEC Recharge Kit with pressure gauge provides a smart and effective solution for AEC maintenance. Incorporating smart clip technology with easy-to-use vent clips, it indicates the correct refrigerant charge, preventing overcharging. The digital pressure gauge allows for a safe and accurate recharge based on temperature and pressure, ensuring optimal performance. Hybrid compatible, the kit features a reusable recharge hose and self-sealing valve for our 134A hybrid vehicle systems. The system-safe chemical additive addresses leaks, improving O-ring and rubber component durability. It provides an environmentally responsible and reliable solution for restoring your car's AEC system. The INTERDYNAMICS EasyC7 AC Recharge Kit. The INTERDYNAMICS EasyC7 AC Recharge Kit is a comprehensive solution for enhancing your vehicle's air conditioning system. This all-in-one kit is designed to rejuvenate the AEC performance by restoring lost refrigerant and oil. The included system-safe leak sealer additive effectively seals common AEC leaks in rubber hoses, gaskets, and O-rings, preventing further refrigerant loss. Featuring a built-in disposable recharge hose, the kit streamlines the process, eliminating the need for additional tools. The Easy Chill refrigerant, safe for our 134A systems, is accompanied by a removable AC gauge assembly, charging hose, and pressure gauge for accurate readings. The push-button dispenser ensures effortless and user-friendly car AEC system recharging. Keep your cool and stay refreshed with the best AC recharge kits at your fingertips. Embrace the breeze of comfort and drive smoothly into a chilled journey ahead.